Hello students, we completed in previous video 1.2 practice set 1.2. Now coming to the new topic, similarity of triangles. This topic we have learned already in 9th class triangles chapter, last small topic. Similarity of triangles definition. Once again we recall the definition. Similarity of triangles. When we can tell two triangles are similar, when corresponding angles are congruent and its corresponding sides are in same proportion. Okay. Once again, when two triangles are said to be similar, its corresponding angles are congruent. Three angles are congruent and its corresponding sides are in same proportion. Now here these two triangles are similar. First we will write the vertices. We will give the name of the triangle in the sequence. Triangle ABC, this first triangle, and triangle PQR. So first what I said, corresponding angles are congruent. Angle A is congruent to angle P. See here, symbols you see. Angle B is congruent to angle Q, circle symbol. Angle C is congruent to angle R. So when corresponding angles are congruent and its sides are in same proportion. Proportion means what? Ratios. AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to CA upon RP. Corresponding sides are in same proportion. Equal sign. Two ratios are equal. Then it is in proportion. Okay. Two or three more ratios. This is the definition of the similar triangles. Students, now next one. Test of similarity of triangles. Totally there are three. One is triple A. In bracket it is also a double A test. Second one, SAS, side angle side. Third one, triple S. Now we will see the for each one of the test along with the figure. First one, triple A test. Angle, angle, angle. So we will draw the two triangles. Triangle ABC and another one. Triangle PQR. Here I give the three angles should be congruent. In bracket he given two angles. If you find in both the triangles only two angles, the two angles are congruent. By A test two angles are congruent. First I am showing triple A test. So here see here. Angle symbol only one. Here 2 and here circle symbol. First we will write in correspondence. ABC correspondence to PQR. When you are writing the vertices of the triangle, it should be in order, sequence. Now we will see triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Now angle A congruent to angle P. Second, angle B is congruent to angle Q. And last one, angle Q. Angle C is congruent to angle R. Angle. By triple A test. By triple A test, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. When the angles are congruent, then remaining sides are what? In proportion. How we will write? By CSST, corresponding sides of similar triangles. How we will write? AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR. Corresponding sides are in same proportion. Students, now double A test. In both the triangles, two angles will be common. First we'll write in correspondence form. X, Y, Z is correspondence to L, M, N. L, M, N. Now we will show that these two triangles are similar. Triangle XYZ and triangle LMN. See the symbols. Angle Y is congruent to angle M. Angle Y is congruent to angle M. Angle Z is congruent to angle N. Angle Z is congruent to angle N. Two angles, angle, by a test of similarity. Triangle XYZ is similar to triangle LMN. Okay. Now after this, if you want to show the remaining sides are in proportion. How? By CSST, corresponding sides of similar triangles. XY upon LM, XY upon LM is equal to YZ upon MN, YZ upon MN is equal to XZ upon LN. This is about the AA test. Students, now second test is side angle side. So here first we will write the correspondence. ABC is correspondence to PQR. Order of the vertices should be in sequence. Now we will show these two triangles are similar. Triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Now here this one side angle side. In similar triangles, corresponding sides are in proportion. So first we will write the sides. AB upon PQ. AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR. BC upon QR. It should be equal, no? AB upon PQ. 6 upon 3. AB value is 6. PQ is value is 3. Is equal to BC value what? 5 upon 2.5. Now here you see 3 ones are 2's. 2 equal to this decimal point. If you remove now, in numerator we have to add the 10. 50. 5 tens are 50. 25 ones are 25 twos are 2 equal to 2. So it is equal to 2 upon 1. Now coming to the angle. Angle B is congruent to angle Q. Each how many degrees? 40 degrees. Side angle side by SAS, test of similarity. Similarity. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Friends, now our third test is side, side, side. Triple S test. So here all sides are in proportion. So first we will write it correspondence. Students, now last test is triple S test. All sides are in proportion. So first we will write the correspondence. ABC is correspondence to PQR. Now here AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to CA upon RP. Okay. Now first we will find the value. Equal means these all three ratios should be equal. AB upon PQ. AB value what? 10. PQ value what? 5 is equal to what? 2. Then this remaining also should be equal to 2. BC upon QR. BC value 8. QR value 4. 2. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. Last one CA upon RP. CA value 9 upon 4.5. If you remove this decimal point, in numerator I multiply with 10. So 90. 45 ones are 45 twos are. See here 2, 2, 2. All the corresponding sides are in proportion. By triple S, test of similarity. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. And if you want to write the triangles by CAST, corresponding angles of similar triangles, congruent symbol you use. Angle A is congruent to angle P, angle B is congruent to angle Q, and angle C is congruent to angle R. Total how many tests of similarity are there? Totally 3. One is triple A, and in bracket he given double A test. In triangles, in both the triangles, if you find the two angles, by AA test, two triangles are similar. If you find the three angles, so by triple A test of similarity, two triangles are similar. And second one is SAS, side angle side. And last one is triple S, side, side, side. These are the tests of the similarity of triangles. Now, lastly, what he given in the textbook, properties of similar triangles. In 9th class, we learned the 3 properties. First one is reflexivity. Second one is similarity, symmetry. And third one is transitive. First one reflexive, second one symmetry, and third one is transitive property. These things you know. And one more thing, in your textbook on page number 17, for more information, it is not useful for your exam point of view. He given the proof for the AAA test. There is no need to practice also in the exam point. You will not get in the exam also. Okay students, this is the introduction of the similarity of triangles.